The Winco CBWT-1218 cutting board, with its sleek white design and durable synthetic material, is a reliable addition to any kitchen. Measuring at 18 LX 11.88 WX 0.5 T, this rectangular cutting board offers ample space for preparing a variety of ingredients. Its non-porous feature ensures food safety, while being dishwasher safe makes cleaning a breeze. Ideal for cutting fish, cheese, vegetables, bread, and meat, this cutting board is versatile and perfect for daily use. The reversible design allows for extended use while its long-lasting quality provides value for money. At 3.3 pounds, this Winco cutting board strikes a balance between sturdiness and portability. Included in the package is the Winco CBWT-1218 cutting board, offering a convenient solution for your kitchen needs. Whether you are a professional chef or a home cook, this cutting board is a practical and stylish addition to your culinary arsenal.